Hello, welcome to Easy Life Hacks. Today's project is reusing an old digital watch that's on its way to the landfill and giving it new life as a digital clip watch. Do you have an old digital watch lying in a drawer? Do you have a common swivel latch hook and some super glue? If your answers are yes, you're ready to go. Number 1, cut off the old watch band. Number 2, glue the swivel to the back of the watch. Number 3, let the glue dry and you're done. However, before you begin, here's a couple of helpful tips and suggestions. Number 1, use an old watch. Once it's glued in place, you will not be able to open the back to change the battery. Number 2, some people have said they prefer to mount the watch upside down so it's easier to read when you flip it up from a hanging position. Number 3, the swivel latch hook and super glue are readily available and affordable at most hardware stores and big box retailers. Number 4, use gel-style super glue. It's thicker and less likely to drip. Use common precautions to prevent injury or damage from careless super glue application. That's it. I hope you enjoy this little project and get a few more years of use out of your old watch. You know the routine. If you like this content and would like to see more, click thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.